Hey guys, cheers. How y'all doing today? Today we're gonna make a Dorito chicken casserole. Now let's get started. Right here in this bowl we have one rotisserie chicken that I bought that was already pre-cooked, and I shredded all the meat off of it, and that's what we got. Now what we're gonna add to it is gonna be a can of Rotel. I'd say this is probably about 3 cups of chicken right there. We're also going to add a can of cream of chicken, 1 can of corn going in. Oh yeah, this is going to be mighty fine, guys, I tell you. Also, we got black beans. I'm trying to use this reduced sodium stuff because I'm trying to watch the salt a little bit, even though it's going to be salty as shit anyways. And we're going to add in about a half a cup of sour cream. This bowl might be almost too small, but I think we can make it work. Alright. And this is going to be very, very simple, but man, it's going to be good. 1 package taco seasoning going in. Alright. Got that in. And that's basically all our ingredients. We're just going to give this a good old mix. Make sure everything gets incorporated well. Got that stuff mixed up, and don't it look good, I tell you. Alright, now what we're going to do is add in some cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want. I'm using this Mexican 4-blend cheese. I'm adding about half of this package here. And I'm going to add some black pepper to it, because I like pepper. Love the pepper. Get it mixed up real good there. And I forgot to say that I drained the liquids off the corn and the beans and the Rotel. At least most of them anyways. And I got my oven right now. I just now turned it on. Preheating my oven to 400 degrees. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Right here we have a 9 by 13 baking dish. And right here's our Doritos. We're going to put a layer of Doritos in the bottom of it. Oh, wait a minute. We're going to spray it with a little oil first. Get you some oil on there. Now, just going to crush them up like that. Put about half the bag in the bottom here. Just like that. I'm using the party size. I don't know if I'll use all of it. You'll probably just need the regular size if you're going to make it. Alright. Now, I'm just going to dump this stuff on here. Just like that. Man, this stuff's going to be good. And it's so freaking easy to do, too. Get it all spooned on there. Alright, we got it all in there. Just going to give it a good even light, or just spread it out evenly like that right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven for about 15 minutes. Let it cook for a little while. And then we're going to top it with some Doritos and some cheese, and it's going to be mighty fine. So oven's preheated at 400, and I'm going to go ahead and throw it in. Alright guys, hotter than shit. But anyways, we've had it in the oven for about 20 minutes, and I did cover it before I put it in the oven. Forgot to tell y'all that too. And it's looking good. It's getting bubbly. What we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead now and add some more chips on it. Oh yeah. More chips. These chips should be nice and crunchy when it's all done. And delicious. Get them chips on there. Spread them out a little bit. And we get our bag of cheese. And we'll go ahead and add the remaining cheese that we have left on the top part of it. Oh yeah, don't that look freaking good, I tell you. Yeah, I know I got a piece of electrical tape in my finger because I cut myself today because I do man work. Alright, now we're going to put that back in the oven for about maybe 10, 15 minutes or so. We'll see. So I just pulled it out of the oven. Looks pretty dang good to me, I tell you. We let it bake for an additional 15 minutes after we put the chips and the cheese on, uncovered. So it baked uncovered for an additional 15 minutes after that stuff is put on. And it's piping freaking hot right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to let it cool down for about 15 minutes. We're going to plate her up, give her a try. Right there it is, guys. All plated up. Man, let's give this a try. Alright, now I done tried this. See, I done messed my plate up. But, anyways, let's give this a try, y'all. Man. That sure was mighty fine, guys, I tell you. Man, don't forget, guys, I'm going to put some links below. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Cheers, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Oh yeah, and don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe.